Okay, so let's have a look at the third adjustment for the 2022 manufacturing account McGuigan. So it says included in the figure for sale of scrap material. So we must have sale of scrap material that we sold scrap and we got money for it. So included in that figure. So we got sale of scrap material for 18,950. Is 7,000 received from the sale of an old machinery. So we sold an old machinery, got 7,000 for it, and for some reason we've included that in the sale of scrap material. So we need to take that out of the sale of scrap material and use that 7,000, and this machinery cost 30,000, and use that 30,000 when you have to calculate the depreciation on the plant machinery, which is the next adjustment. So for this adjustment, what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the sale of scrap figure. So in the question, we've got our sale of scrap in the trial balance of 18,950. I'm going to take away that 7,000, which is for a machine that we sold and not scrap material. And that's going to give us a new figure then for our scrap material, and that's going to go into your manufacturing account underneath your factory costs, and that's working 4 as part of adjustment 3. So we're taking the 7,000 out of the scrap material, and remember we're going to use that 7,000 and that 3,000 later on in the next adjustment.